On this Wednesday morning, they're dealing with flooding here in our area. Thankfully, we don't have that, but we do have some windy conditions, Llarisa.
Yes, we do, Janelle. And weather is all connected. What's going on out there is a system that's literally, it can't move because high pressure over our region is blocking any movement. And that area of high pressure has been over us over the last 24, even 48 hours. And notice here that blob of green, that is that consistent area of moisture that's just been dumping rain, days of rain from Chicago down towards Ohio, now beginning to dissipate across places like Ohio back towards West Virginia. So everything's connected. And we're also dealing with post-tropical storm Arthur. That's also not allowing for that area of high pressure to drift away. But that's not going to stick around because rain is returning to our region. In fact, what's happening west will eventually make its way further off towards the east into our area. We are also watching a warming trend, and we have to talk about this holiday weekend. For today, breezy and cool in Philly with temperatures climbing to 65. We should be at 75 degrees for this time of the year, so certainly on the cooler side of things. To the shore we go, where it will still be very windy. Those persistent easterly winds will keep things a little dicey down the shore today. Highs climbing to 55. Breaks of sunshine for the Poconos, Chandler. Highs there in the mid 60s.